Here's the U-turn. Turning point. So guys, it's 4:50 a.m. and I'll be heading to Mercato Santa Barbara Heights since today is the schedule of their event, which is in partnership with Run Iloilo, the Run at the Heights, and I'm really excited. This is this first ever wellness festival, and part of their events is this one, and this is also my first time to join a running event, so I'm excited.
I would like to ask, how are you? How's everyone this morning? Sino nagbugtaw aga pa? Ari di kagina. Yes, 4 a.m. Ari na kami di. Ready to run. Ready. So, to explain the route, ako na lang ma-explain man, Sir Mike. So, this is a 6.5 kilometer run. Of course, with elevation, kay Run at the Heights. So we will run starting there sa starting line sa Run Iloilo or going to Barangay Inangayan. Then, U-turn, you will see a U-turn slot there, then back here. We will be having two paces. The sexy pace and the average pace. So the sexy pace, that will be 8 o'clock, sorry, 8 to 8:30. For the average pace, we have 7 to 7:30.
malapit na sa U-turn. Here's the U-turn, turning point. You know, I'm heading back to Mercato, and this is a 6-kilometer run. So guys, nabayaan. So I'm close already, and it was about 6 kilometers, so I think I can do this. So malapit na tayo sa finish line, and sobrang na po, more than 6 kilometers. So it's really, and this is my first time malapit ng ating finish line. Okay, okay, keep the face, just keep the face, and we are near. Malapit na ito sa finish line. Ayan na, ayan na, nakikita ko na ang finish line. So we need to be near finish line. Ayan na, malapit na tayo. Okay, it's here, it's here, the finish line. Okay, finish. Okay, okay, let's finish. So I'm finished. I have here my ticket. So this ticket is worth 100 pesos food voucher here at Mercato. I'll have a quick break there. I'll be sitting inside Mercato. So thank you so much. By the way, here's the event. saw the opportunity there at the signboard, so I'm so happy. I have finished almost 6 kilometers, more than 6 kilometers. So there's still a lot of people in there finding their names, getting their vouchers here for Mercato. So I'll be heading inside Mercato so that I could buy anything that I could possibly buy there. So here's
Your honey, sir. Wala siya agi pasteurized. This is 500, 700 ml. This one is 350. Kasi ano siya, sir, pwede siya pag-give. You have this abaka bag and honey dipper inside. Pwede siya pang-regalo.
saan ka mo din mo?
Na, 1 day lang kami, sir. Till karon sa gabi.
Basmati, sir. Basmati rice, red rice, and black camrose rice, sir. Usually naman na ginagamit, sir, sa ano, naman na ginausar ito sa biryani, chicken biryani. Chiltaho, ma'am, buko juice, pandisoya, pandesal made of soya.
This early, congratulations. Kumuha na po kayo, ha?
Ato na ni sir na produce dito. Yeah, produce na nato na sir, may facility na ta sa Inangayan or kami na nag-process ng chiltaho natin. And tofu, tokwa.
Ready. Dilim-dilim, ano? Pero sige, sir.
So we are heading back home. I have just finished having chit chats with some people here. So, excuse me. So I think we'll be going home na, guys. That's for today.